Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a quick little Sunday morning routine. My Sundays are pretty chill. I just wanted to kind of show you the quick makeup routine I've been doing lately, some of the products I've been loving using, and just what I do on a Sunday morning to chill out, and then of course ended at Cheeseburger Sunday, so let's just get into it. So I allow myself to sleep in a bit on Sundays, but sleeping in for me is like 8:30. But when I do get up, I am having one of my 2-ingredient dough bagels, and I'll put the link for the recipe up in the corner, but I've been putting this McCormick cinnamon sugar on there because the right amount of it is 0 Weight Watchers points. And then I did have a little bit of this Evolution Fresh Defense Up juice, which is my favorite. It's so good. So I had that for breakfast, and then I am running myself a nice Sunday morning bath. I obviously typically like to take baths in the evening time, but a good daylight morning bath is always nice as well. So I'm just filling up the tub with some nice Lush bubbles, and then I'm going in with this Lush bath bomb, which I freaking can't remember what it's called. I'll have it linked down below, but it is a very small but purple glittery bath bomb. It is so pretty. It smells so good, and it leaves your skin just a little bit glittery, not too glittery, but it is one that requires you to clean the bathtub a little bit when it's done, but it's so totally worth it. Just look at that majesticness. So just enjoy this bath bomb as it dissolves. Then I step into the tub, and while I'm in there, I am wearing my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Face Mask. This is my favorite face mask ever. And then when I'm ready to take that off, I've been using this fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I totally love it. It starts as an exfoliant, a pretty good exfoliant as well, but then the sugar melts away and it's just a really nice cleanser. So then I am hopping out of the bath, and I am going to spritz my face with my Lush Tea Tree Water Toner Water. After that, I get dressed, and then I'm going to brush my teeth. This is the toothpaste I use if you're curious. Natural toothpaste, I don't know if it's for me, guys. I'm trying, but I don't know. Then I'm going in with my spot treatment. This is the Grease Lightning Toner Gel, whatever it's called, from Lush. And then for my under eyes, I've been using this Fab Skin Lab Retinol Eye Cream. It's not really as hydrating as my favorite eye cream, but I do feel like it firms my under eyes. I feel like I have less crow's feet, so I'll take it, but I'm almost out of it, so yeah. Then I've been using this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I use it more of like a serum, but it's this really kind of gel-like consistency. It's a really pretty light pink color, and I've just been wearing that underneath my moisturizer because I like the way makeup looks on top of it. It's very dewy and glowy without looking greasy, so I put that on, and I wait for that to dry a little bit. So I put on my deodorant, and then I put on my body splash, my Moonlight Path body splash from Bath & Body Works. The only product I'm still using from Bath & Body Works, in fact. But once my face is tacky or dried down from that serum, I'm putting on my Simple Light Moisturizer with SPF 15. I love this stuff. You guys know that it leaves no white cast, there's no weird sunscreen smell, and I never ever get burnt. I wear this stuff every single day, and I love it. I'm not really doing anything to my hair. Oh, we have Tuna on this day. This is my brother's dog that we dog sit sometimes. And Bradley's sister started something called Sheets Sunday, where you change your sheets every Sunday. So that is what we are doing here. But Tuna was not having it, so we eventually had to like lock her outside. Not outside, but just put her outside the bedroom door and shut the door because she was a menace. Those who have puppies and try to change their beds, how do you do it? We're changing the sheets, we're putting on the purple sheets, putting on the pillowcases. I get a lot of questions about my comforter. It's a quilt from Anthropologie, which has ripped, so I think we're gonna have to get a new one. But yes, after that, I decided I did want to put on some makeup, so I sat down to apply it. I'm starting with my NYX BB cream. I have the light shade. I love this stuff. I kind of forget about this every year, but then rediscover it around summertime because I am looking for something with good coverage, but that's a little bit on the lighter side, and I truly love this stuff. You really can't feel it on your skin, but you can build it, and it offers really good coverage and just good at like evening out your skin altogether. I have freckles, so it's nice to have something to just even everything out. So yeah, I just apply that. I don't even need powder with it, but I have been using this Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. This is in the fair shade, I believe, and I've just been wearing it under my eyes. Also, I apologize, but this damn self-focusing camera did not do its job this day, and I am out of focus for a bit of this, which is so annoying. I'm using one of my new Luxie brushes. They kindly sent me some brushes, which you guys know I love my Luxie blending brushes, so I was totally pumped. But yeah, I'm just using that to blend out the concealer under my eyes. Again, I've been trying no powder under the eyes to see how that goes, and so far with this concealer, it's been okay. Then I'm going in with my current favorite blush. After I did my blush declutter, which I'll link it up at the corner, I've been trying to make more of an effort to use other blushes other than my butter blushes, and this is just the one I've been obsessed with this week, so I am slapping that on. It's the perfect, like, shimmery, peachy, everyday color, and I love it. And my hair, like I said, we're just letting the hair do whatever it wants today, because I don't care. Then I'm going in with my Kylie Cosmetics Highlighter in Cotton Candy Cream. I love this stuff. I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush. That's my favorite brush for highlighter. And I'm just putting this everywhere, the top of my cheekbones, my nose, cupid's bow, eyelids, above the brow. And then I'm taking my blush brush yet again to just blend that all together. Gonna curl the lashes real quick. Oh, we're in focus again. Great. Then I'm going in with my two favorite mascaras that I use pretty much every day. So my CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara first. I did get a little bit underneath, so I got that off, but that's every other day, to be honest. I always get mascara all over my face. Then I am going in with my beautiful Benefit Gimme Brow, and I have the shade 3, and I love this stuff. This is the only brow product I've been using lately because it just is so easy and effective, and it takes literal minutes. Like, it just is so easy. So see what a difference it makes. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a long time. For some reason, once I turned 29, my eyebrows haven't been growing like they used to. They could use some shape. Yeah, so maybe I should go in. But after I put that on, I'm going to go in with my Benefit 24-hour clear brow setter, brow gel. I forget what it's called, but I'll link all of the stuff down below, by the way. But I'm just going to set those in place, and then I'm going to go back in with one more coat of mascara with my Roller Lash by Benefit as well. I use the shade Brown. I love this stuff, and I just love the layered look of the Clump Crusher with the Roller Lash. I just go to it every day. So Blurry Me is done with my makeup, and then we're ending this video with Cheeseburger Sunday. Tuna came to In and Out. I was trying to get her to look at the camera, but she was looking at the birds and wanted nothing to do with you, so you should take offense to that. But yeah, there's our cheeseburgers and our fries. Bradley got a 3x3 that day. What an impressive, oh my god, what a man. But yeah, guys, that is it for my Sunday morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually am going on vacation, so I will see you in about a week, but I will be over on my Instagram stories if you want to check out what we're up to. But yeah, other than that, I will be back with videos in about a week, and I love you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and being my internet friend. But yeah, I'll see you on Instagram. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.